Hello everyone. So I have a video and it has music in it. Now I don't want the video itself, I just want the audio. So what I want to do, I want to convert this video into an mp3 file. So let's do that. I'm gonna close the video. Now the program I'm going to use is Audacity. This is the program, and it's a free program and you can get it here. And if you have a Mac, you can download for Mac. If you have a Windows 10 computer, you can download it here. So this is Audacity. It is open. Now if I go to File, select Open. Now this is the video. It's an mp4 video. So I get this error because it says without the optional FFmpeg library, Audacity cannot open this type of file. So I need to download this FFmpeg library file from Audacity. I'm gonna click OK. Now this is it. So once I'm here, I'm going to click on recommended installer, go to the external FFmpeg download page. I click on that, takes me to another page. So I want to download the exe file for Windows. So this is the file. So I'm going to click on it and it's downloading. When it's done, I'm going to install it. All these are free, and Audacity is a very powerful program. So it's done downloading. I'm going to open, click OK, next, next, and install. Now what I'll do, I'll close Audacity and then I'll open it back again. So now I'm going to open the mp4 file. I have Audacity open. Now you want to make sure that your speakers are selected here. If you're using a headphone or your speakers are playing from the computer, you want to make sure you select it here in order to hear the sound. So I'll go to File, select Open. This is the video mp4 file. As you can see, it's already converted, and if I select play, it plays. I'm going to click on stop. Now I want to save this as an mp3, so I'll go to File, Export, and export as mp3. Choose where you want to save it. I'm saving it on my desktop. You can choose and type in whatever file name you want, and you want to make sure save as type it's mp3. Click on save, click OK, and it is converting. Now if I minimize this, this is the mp3 file. If I open it, Windows Media, I open it in Windows Media. So that's it. This simple program, which is free, can convert an mp4 video to an audio file. It converts the video into audio. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching.